Hi, Pranjal. Where are you?
Hi,
Before
hi, Mega. How are you doing?
I'm doing very well, thank you. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing really well actually. Actually, there is a blackout, so yeah,
Oh, okay. So this is like a temporary setup for you.
yeah. This is like something temporary setup for me.
Okay, fine, great. How is your day coming along?
It's been like quite good, I would say, quite hectic as well. As I told you earlier, in the hectic. It's like something kind of called productive, not hectic,
Okay,
because I'm
okay,
learning something, from my
okay,
productivity. So I can't say that it's a hack.
okay. It's hectic and
Yeah,
productive, both, just the way you like it.
yeah.
Both.
You can say
Okay,
that. It's a kind of a 50-50% of balance.
okay, brilliant. That's great. And I know that you are a YouTuber, as
Thank
you had
you.
mentioned to me last time, right? And apart from YouTube, is there any other social media platform that you really like spending time on?
Now,
No? It's a big no, is it?
no, I really don't like spending my time in Instagram or in something TikTok or such applications, because what I generally believe is like these are the applications which
Mhm.
I think you are not utilize your time there. You are just wasting your time there. So this is the one of the most time killing applications, I would say, that people are using, because you can see when people use Instagram, or when
Yeah,
anyone just opens their Instagram account, what they do, they all throughout the day, they just scrolling up, scrolling down,
yeah,
scrolling up,
yeah.
scrolling down. How many people's in India that you how many people in India that you think that they are successful in social media platforms? Like how many? If I talk about the Instagram, so I would say only 10% or barely 15% of people like
Yeah,
successful. They are successful in Instagram or in such applications. But
okay.
90% of the majority, they are
Yeah.
just killing their time, and they are just try to observing someone else's life, and they are just occupied to observe what other people are doing. They are happy. Oh my god, they have a Mercedes, they have a big house, they are showing something, you know kind
Yeah,
of a fake faces in front of the media. And people just wondering that, oh my god, they are so happy. You don't know what is the reality of these
yeah.
people's life.
Okay. It's like a facade, right? It's like just a facade that they're putting up. Okay, yeah.
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 did
And
i
people,
did i
I
say,
understand.
did I say correctly?
You said every sentence perfectly, okay? I have no corrections. You were very
Thank
perfect,
you.
okay? And
Thank you.
as you correctly mentioned, many people, especially the youngsters, right, who are teenagers, they're very gullible. They fall for these things. They feel like, okay, that is reality. People are living such great lives and we are so normal. So I
Yeah.
think that's happening these days. Yeah.
Yeah, you can see people over there, like when I was born, when you were born, like there was a kind of a life that was a real life. We can say that we
True.
just used to go outside to play sports, or we used to go outside to meet people, to meet friends, right? And today's generation children, I would say, oh my god, the moment they just born in this earth, you know or on or on this planet,
Yeah. Yeah.
they start just picking up phones or a technology,
Mhm.
which is, I think, not
Mhm.
necessary. First you'll have to mature enough, or first you'll have to grow enough to pick up these things, or to understand these things. Am I correct, Mega?
Yes. Mhm. Absolutely right. That's 100% true. I think these days, even parents itself, they hand over phones to the kids so that they don't bother them too much. I've seen it,
Yeah,
okay, in my family as well. We are also guilty of it. So that, the kids are occupied with something at least, right? So yeah,
definitely.
that's true. That's very true. And what do you think? What are some of the benefits of being on social media as a creator? Okay, there are creators and then there are consumers, right? You fall in the
Yeah.
former category. So, what are the benefits? What have you gained from being on YouTube?
Okay, so if I talk about being a creator, so I would say that the first thing that you can
Can you hear me?
I your voice actually not coming up to me properly. Actually, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Actually, there was no change in my audio settings. to be honest. Okay, do you want me to rejoin? I'll rejoin. Just just give me
Sure,
5 seconds.
sure.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Sure. I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, absolutely fine.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So can you yeah. You said of speak in front of the public, right?
Yeah. The first thing,
Mhm,
as I told you
mhm,
earlier, that you can just get away,
mhm.
of the fear of speaking in front of the people, right?
Yes.
This is the one
Mhm,
benefit that you can
mhm,
get it, right?
mhm,
And the second thing I would say that being a
mhm,
creator, you can develop or you can just enhance the capability
mhm,
of your mind or a thought
mhm.
process, because
Okay.
uh, just see the creator. So creator,
Mhm,
creator like always tries to find something in new, always, and figure out something new, you know.
mhm.
So this is the
True.
thing that I would like to tell you, being a creator, this is very important
Mhm.
to put forward your ideas in front of the people, in front of the public, so
Yes.
being a creator, it is a good thing.
Mhm,
And you can, if you are a good creator, you can say that, yeah, I
mhm,
can easily motivate someone, I can easily
mhm.
influence someone, because it's really
Yeah.
important to influence
Yes.
people,
True.
yeah. So these
100%.
are the things which I really follow, and these are the very important things being a creator.
Okay. And how do you handle the praise and how do you handle the criticism? I'm pretty sure if you're out there in public, you will get both, right? The praise and the brickbats, both. So, how do you handle these two?
So when it comes to praise, I would say that definitely the
Mhm,
first thing that whenever someone just praises me, so I would
mhm,
definitely thankful for those peoples. And
mhm.
when I get uh, ugly or inappropriate comments, so yeah,
Yeah.
I'm a core personality or a kind of an
Mhm,
aggressive personality. So I just
mhm,
react very quickly. I don't wait
mhm,
and watch, or I do
mhm.
not like let it go kind of a personality. Whenever I just
Okay.
get the comments like which is not up to the
Mhm.
mark according to
Yeah.
me or according to my
Yeah.
personality,
Mhm,
so what I do, I just
mhm,
reply them, in
mhm,
their language.
mhm. Okay. Okay. So, like a mirror, is it? You will talk to them in the same way. And do you confront it if you get negative comments? Do you ignore it or do you confront it?
No, I don't ignore it. I really don't ignore it, because as I
Okay.
told you,
Okay.
because I'm kind of a very aggressive, so that yeah, whenever I just get
Mhm,
the comment which is I genuinely
mhm,
believe that not good, or I should just reply them, so I just
mhm.
reply them quickly. I don't wait it for that.
Okay, okay, fine. Amazing.
Yeah.
Good to know that. Okay.
So
And
actually
just a
I just
small
want to tell
suggestion
you.
here. Yeah.
Yeah, tell me.
Okay, I'll just quickly say that, okay, before if time runs out, then it'll be a problem. So you mentioned that I will be thankful, right? If someone praises you. So I'm assuming that it's a regular thing now. Now that you are a YouTuber, you get praises and you get criticism. You will say, I am thankful every time I get a praise. I will be
Yeah, I
something
said
that you will be using in future tense. Okay, so you
okay.
can say it in the present also. That also works. Okay, I'm thankful to people who praise me or give me good comments. So I
Sure.
am, I think, would be better in this situation rather than I will. So yeah, that was 2 cents.
Okay,
That's
sure.
all. Yes, and you were saying something.
No, actually, I was
Mhm.
like saying, recently I just uploaded one content, my video content
Okay,
related to women clothing stuff, right?
okay,
So
okay.
yeah, so I just
Mhm,
put that content over there, and
mhm,
the moment I just put my content over there like
mhm,
that, so
mhm.
people started commenting me, or people started, giving me inappropriate or unethical sense of comments, which
Okay.
I really didn't like it. I said, okay,
Mhm.
this is something not kind of a taboo, right? We are
Yeah.
just living 21st of century, and we should
Mhm,
be grow enough or mature enough to understand these things. It's not like that, being a
mhm,
male candidate, it's not
mhm,
like that. You can't put content like that. it's
mhm,
it's just an informative thing that I'm going to put it over there,
mhm.
right?
Okay.
So you
Mhm.
should take it as an informative thing, not in the other
Yeah.
way that that
Yes.
you are just taking it, right?
Mhm. Yes.
So this is the like, I would say that kind of a
Mhm.
immature people signs.
Yeah. True. That's true. So even before delving into the content or watching it, they give their opinion on the matter without actually seeing what it is about. So yeah, it happens. I guess you're pretty much used to it. Now I think it's normal,
Yeah,
right?
I just I was like
Mhm.
humiliating, or I just wanted
Mhm.
to know the mentality of the people, that what kind of a mentality they having, like
Mhm.
such a mentality, because you are living in a technical world right now, virtual
Mhm.
world, and
Mhm.
you have been just coming across such things every single
Mhm.
day. So it's
Yeah.
not be something like
Mhm.
shameful, or something
Mhm.
like you can't just talk about it, or
Yeah.
not a taboo. You should be
Mhm.
talk as much as you can, whether it is a
Mhm.
women related content or a man related content. It's not like
Yeah.
that,
Yes. Yes.
right?
That's true. Yeah.
Then you can
Mhm.
then you can just put your ideas, or put
Mhm.
your perspective forward.
Yeah. First, see the content, understand it, and then give your thoughts about it, right? Yeah, that's a very
Yeah.
logical way. That's true. But not most people understand it, unfortunately. Okay. Okay, fine. So, if given a choice between fame and money, okay, now what will you choose? Because fame and money, either you will become really famous or you're
Fame
going
and
to get, yeah, either you're getting really
no, I just
famous,
want to be a famous.
going to be famous. Okay, fine. So, in both
Yeah,
the
want to be
scenarios, you'd
famous.
rather.
Once I just get famous,
Mhm.
uh, y- yeah, I was saying that, once I just get famous, money will definitely drawn towards me.
Okay, that's great. Makes sense. Yeah. And fine. And if you had a chance to, eliminate the negative impacts of social media, like we have cyberbullying and trolling and all that, no? What is that one big step that you will undertake to remove the negative impacts of social media?
To remove the negative impact,
Of social media, any social media platform.
uh, I think this
Mhm.
is the first thing, that vulgar comments, or not vulgar comments, vulgar
Mhm.
content, I would say that,
Uh, mhm.
like like I would say that, I've been watching some like videos which I think not appropriate
Mhm.
manner to
Okay.
upload, or I would say YouTube should definitely ban these kind of a content over there,
Okay.
because these
Mm-hmm.
content, I would say, not
Mm-hmm.
not up to the mark to put and to show other people, I would say.
Okay.
Because this is
Fine.
a kind of because people are what people are doing, people are just
Mm-hmm.
doing anything or putting anything to being famous, which is
Hmm.
not good, I think, because you are just impacting, or you are just yeah, you are just impacting in
Mm-hmm.
a negative way,
Yeah.
or you are just influenced in a negative way to other people.
Yes. Okay. This was the only thing, and that was
Yeah.
also my last question to you. And your answer was brilliant, and it made a lot of sense. Okay. And yeah, before time runs out, is there anything you want to ask me?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Okay. Is there anything that you want to ask me, Pranjal? It was great talking to you today. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask.
Definitely, I just want to know that I'm able to like narrate the things or a story
Yeah,
or
yeah, of
explain
course.
my point of views easily.
Yes, of course. The questions that I asked you answered everything and it all made sense. It was very coherent. It was very fluent today. You made very less errors compared to yesterday. The errors were very less in number. So, yeah, great job.